Welcome to our new video. Today we will learn how to draw lips. So let's begin. For front view, step 1. The basic rule. Divide the figure into basic forms. To start with, divide the lips into 3 circles. Step 2. The V shape. Once finished with the circles, go for the V shape of the lower portion of the upper lip. Also draw the lines outward touching the V shape. Step 3. The elongated M. For the upper curve of the lip, draw an elongated M joining the ends of the 2 lines drawn. Also, the elongated W. For the lower curve, draw an elongated W joining the ends of the 2 lines drawn. Step 4. Shading the essentials. Start to shade the essential regions. Darken the areas having more shadows. Give proper highlights and details. Here we have finished with the drawing for the front view. Now let's move towards 3x4 face view. Follow the same procedure. The only thing to keep in mind is, for a 3x4 face view, one side of the M and W will be compressed and the other side will be expanded. It depends on the view of the face. Here it is, a lip for a 3x4 face view. For side view, draw along with me. Here we have finished with the drawing of lips for front view, for 3x4 face view and side view. I hope you enjoyed this video. Keep practicing. Thanks for watching.